So excited. I got this from the Amazon warehouse. The box is a little banged up, but it's literally like just the box that's messed up. If you haven't heard of the Amazon warehouse, highly recommend it. They usually have cheaper products, and it's literally just the box that is messed up. The product is still okay. Everything, it's usually cheaper as well. Here is the blender. It's kind of heavy, but I mean, it's fine. Oh, nice. This is longer than I thought it was gonna be, but that's cool. Okay. A little disc. Cute. Nice. Okay. This part. Put this in. There we go. Cool. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, I didn't even realize it connected to this. God, this is so cool. Stop this right now. What? I'm obsessed. I tried to make pesto with a regular blender, and didn't work. So that's why I got this. I think I got it for like 20 bucks, which in my opinion is so worth it, especially because it comes with all of these connections. I cannot wait to use it. Don't know why I didn't buy this sooner, but here we are. And I'm in. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Make sure to stay tuned so you can see this baby in action. And as always, I will leave the link below if you want to get your Hamilton Beach Immersion blender.